Welcome everyone. Today's reading session of 30 minutes is related to AGI Greenpac. This is the annual report of FY 2025. So now let's move towards the important part of the annual report. We will go through the chairman and managing director's message. A year of strategic progress. Dear shareholders, the year under review was a defining one for us, marked by our strongest ever financial performance. This milestone was the result of operational discipline, responsible innovation, improved efficiency, and strategic investment, reinforcing our leadership as India's most profitable glass packaging products company. So, with this statement, the company is saying that they are India's most profitable glass packaging products company. Building on a strong foundation, FY 24-25 was marked by cautious consumer spends, leading to overall sluggishness in consumption. So it seems there was a downward trend in 24-25 related to consumption. Despite these headwinds, we maintained resilience by focusing on cost efficiency, operational discipline, and staying closely aligned with our customers' needs. This approach enabled us to identify and capture growth opportunities effectively. The result is a 6.5% year on year growth in total income. A very important metric here, there is a 6.5% year on year growth, reaching rupees 2604 crore during the year under review. EBITDA surged 17% to rupees 689 crores, with margins expanding by a robust 290 bps to an all-time high of 27.2%, marking our best ever performance. Profit after tax also rose by 28% to rupees 322 crore, strengthening strong financial momentum. Backed by this strong performance, the board approved a dividend of rupees 7 per equity share, which is a positive sign, reaffirming our commitment to consistent shareholder returns. Operational excellence. During the year under review, we demonstrated strong operational excellence, strategic foresight, and product innovation to support our long term growth. With container plants operating at over 95% capacity utilization, a very important metric stating that 95% of their capacity was utilized. We successfully executed our product portfolio expansion strategy, allowing us to cater to evolving customer needs with greater speed and scale. We undertook targeted debottlenecking across manufacturing facilities, augmenting capacities to meet rising customer demand and capitalize on India's growing consumption and packaging product needs. Through continued innovation, we introduced lightweight designs that optimized raw material usage, improved freight efficiency, and reduced our carbon footprint, enhancing both sustainability and customer value. We also achieved balanced growth across our container and specialty glass segments, reflecting broad based demand from FMCG, F&B, pharmaceuticals, and continued brand led growth in premium beverages and personal care categories. Trusted by customers. Our strong customer relationships, built on trust, consistent product quality, and responsiveness to customer needs, continued to drive preference across domestic and international markets. With a customer centric approach, we stayed attuned to evolving trends across our product segments, sustaining our competitive edge through tailored solutions. In the container glass segment, we deepened our presence across the alcoholic and non alcoholic beverage, FMCG, and pharmaceutical sectors in the domestic market. This is an important point wherein the company is stating that the container glass segment had deepened the presence across the alcoholic and non alcoholic beverage. At the same time, we gained strong traction in premium segments such as cosmetics, perfumery, premium alcohol, and security closures where design precision, aesthetics, and sustainability plays a defining role. Innovation remained central to our differentiation strategy. So the company is focusing on innovation as their unique selling proposition. In FY 24-25, our teams developed 422 new product designs. This is a great indicator of innovation wherein 422 new designs were developed, of which over 30% was successfully commercialized, which is a good rate, underscoring our focus on design-led, market-ready innovations. These high clarity and customized solutions, developed for varied end user categories, further strengthen our leadership in value added glass packaging. We are in the process of developing India's first domestically produced tea corks and stoppers in natural, synthetic, and micro agglomerated variants. This strategic diversification is aimed at strengthening our position as an integrated packaging partner to our customers. Sustainability and shared growth. We are committed to shaping a sustainable, future ready organization through setting clear ESG goals, targeting net zero emissions by 2050, and a significant reduction in our carbon footprint by 2030. Our environmental actions focus on decarbonization, water stewardship, waste reduction, and advancing circularity. During the year, we expanded our solar energy capacity to 19.56 megawatt, continuing our shift towards cleaner energy sources. We also strengthened zero liquid discharge ZLD mechanisms across our manufacturing plants to ensure efficient water recovery and reuse. A key area of progress has been our increased focus on cullet utilization, recycling broken or waste glass into high quality reusable material. This is a very important point stating the progress the company is making on cullet utilization. We currently recycle over 2 lakh tons of cullet annually and are targeting 50% cullet internal plus external utilization by 2027, a crucial step towards a circular economy, furthering our sustainable commitments. Environmental responsibility is embedded throughout our value chain and is supported by strong governance and adherence to recognized sustainability standards. During the year, our Bhongir plant earned the IGBC Platinum rating and our R&D and lab facilities achieved NABL and ISO certifications. This is a good point, wherein certifications show the credibility of the company. Beyond environmental efforts, we continue to create long term social impact through targeted interventions in education, healthcare, and skill development, improving the quality of life and fostering inclusive growth in the communities we serve. A recently set up Bongir Community Service Center, a pioneering three-floor facility dedicated to holistic community development, is strategically located to serve the needs of Bongir and its surrounding areas. Our people power our progress. We foster a culture of ownership, innovation, and growth, where collaboration thrives. Through targeted development initiatives and smart technology adoption, we nurture talent, inspire leadership, and build a future ready, motivated workforce committed to collective success. Digital transformation. Digital transformation remained a key enabler for efficiency and agility across our operations. Advanced planning systems and real time dashboards enhanced supply chain visibility, improved forecasting accuracy, and enabled faster data driven decisions. At the plant level, the use of predictive analytics in production planning, material management, and digital maintenance tools streamlined operations, driving consistency and operational excellence. We also extended digitization to key touchpoints for our people and partners. From recruitment to performance management, the entire employee lifecycle is now integrated on SAP, supporting greater transparency and productivity across HR processes. So the company is focusing on improving the efficiency by implementing digitalization into its processes. Investing in the future. As part of our long term growth strategy, we announced a 700 crore investment in a state of the art greenfield manufacturing facility in Madhya Pradesh. So the company has plans for expanding its state of the art manufacturing facility and specifically creating it in Madhya Pradesh. With a plant capacity of 500 tons per day, this state of the art plant will expand our total production capacity by around 25%. That's a great indicator of the expansions which the company is doing. So let's mark this as well. This expansion will enable us to meet future demand with greater speed and scale. It also aligns with India's broader growth trajectory, strengthens customer proximity, and reinforces our readiness to serve rising consumption needs. Alongside domestic expansion, we also establish a new subsidiary, Sunreach Pack (FZE) in the United Arab Emirates, that is UAE, to enhance international engagement and drive exports. Together, these developments reflect our readiness to tap into emerging demand both at home and abroad with greater agility and scale. The positive point here is company is trying to get its footprint into the global market. Looking ahead, let's see the future the management team has its eye on. We enter FY 25-26 on the strength of meaningful progress and a sharp focus on growth. We aim to maintain our profitability trajectory by staying ahead of the curve through product leadership, cost competitiveness, and operational efficiency, creating long term sustainable value for all stakeholders. I thank our shareholders for their continued trust, our bankers for their confidence, our employees for their commitment, our customers for their support, and our suppliers for their collaboration. Regards, Sandeep Somani, Chairman and Managing Director. So, this was the message from the Chairman and the Managing Director. Now, let's see the next part, which is important from an investor's perspective. It's important for us to read the management discussion and analysis. That is it for today. In the next reading session, we would focus on management discussion and analysis to understand the perspective of the management. So, thank you very much.